Solving equations. In this video, let's see how to solve algebraic equations. Let's see an example. Solve 5 times x plus 4 equals 2x plus 14. To solve this kind of equation, you can follow a 6-step method. Get rid of fractions. Multiply the brackets. Collect all x terms on one side and number terms on other side. Combine like terms and reduce the expression to the form ax equals b. Divide both sides by a to find x. If the expression has x square, square root both sides to find x. If one of the steps don't apply to your equation, you can skip the step. In our example, there is no fraction. So, you can skip step 1 and go to step 2 of multiplying the brackets. When multiplying 5 with x plus 4, we get 5x plus 20 equals 2x plus 14. Next, let's move to step 3 by collecting all x terms on one side and number terms on the other side. To remove the 2x on the other side, you need to subtract 2x from both sides. After subtracting 2x, we get 5x plus 20 minus 2x equals 14, and all the x terms are on the left side. Next, let's combine the like terms and reduce the expression to the form ax equals b. 5x minus 2x plus 20 equals 14, which, when simplified, we get 3x plus 20 equals 14. To reduce the expression to the form ax equals b, let's get rid of the number 20 by subtracting 20 from both sides. We get 3x equals minus 6. Finally, let's divide both sides by 3 as told in step 5, to find the value of x. 3x divided by 3 equals x, minus 6 divided by 3 equals minus 2. On solving the given equation, the value of x is minus 2. Let's look at another example that involves a fraction. 2x plus 4 over 3, minus x, minus 1 over 2 equals 5. First, we need to get rid of the fraction. For that, you need to multiply every term of the equation by whatever's on the bottom of the fraction. If there are two fractions, you'll need to multiply by both denominators. Here, there are two fractions. So, you need to multiply the terms by both 3 and 2. 3 times 2 times 2x plus 4 over 3, minus 3 times 2 times x, minus 1 over 2 equals 3 times 2 times 5. By cancelling the common numbers in the numerator and denominator, we get 2 times 2x plus 4, minus 3 times x, minus 1 equals 30. Next, let's multiply the brackets. We get 4x plus 8, minus 3x plus 3 equals 30. Let's collect all the x terms on side and the number terms on the other side. By adding 8 and 3 to both sides of the expression, we get 4x plus 8, minus 3x, minus 3, minus 8, minus 3 equals 30, minus 8, minus 3. Next, let's combine the like terms and simplify the expression. We get 4x, minus 3x equals 19. 4x minus 3x equals x, and we get x equals 19. On solving the given equation, the value of x is 19.